San Francisco city leaders continue to try to fight the mental health crisis. Today, Mayor London Breed announced there will be an expansion of treatment beds for people who are suffering from mental health and substance abuse disorders.
The program will be run by the Department of Public Health. KRON 4's Amanda Harry is live with us right now explaining just how significant this expansion will be. Good evening, Amanda.
Good evening. This is part of the mayor's budget investments. It'll expand the mental health program by about 20%. That means they'll be adding 400 more beds.
And if we want to provide relief for those folks, we have to have places for people in mental health crisis or suffering from addiction that are not the sidewalk.
San Francisco city leaders, with the help of the Department of Public Health, are trying to create that space. Supervisor Raphael Mandelman says mental health and substance use disorders impact everyone in the city.
I think if you live in San Francisco and you go out onto our streets and you go to many of the commercial corridors in the city, it's hard to avoid seeing a person, with obvious acute mental health needs.
DPH addiction psychiatrist David Pading echoes Mandelman's sentiment about the prevalence of mental health issues.
The chances are that you either know someone that has mental health conditions, or you may not know it, but they do.
These new beds will give the city's new street outreach team additional placements that can serve the clients they interact with on a daily basis. Pading says these 400 treatment beds will serve different needs, from immediate short-term services to longer-term services.
People move through stages in their recovery. You have a crisis and you need services that are very intensive. Then as you get better, you want to learn behavioral measures to take care of yourself.
The number of new beds was determined by a recommendation by the Behavioral Health Bed Optimization Project report in 2020 and the Mental Health SF legislation in 2019.
To help people be as independent and as well and as healthy and as happy as our citizens deserve.
I was told the city plans to reevaluate just how many beds are needed every 1 to 2 years. Live in San Francisco, Amanda Harry, KRON 4 News.
So, Amanda, right now, 400 beds are available. Are they available right now for those who need them?
So those beds are in various stages of development right now. Some are available right now. About 140 will be available by the end of 2021.
Thank you so much, Amanda.